Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to auto-forward Outlook emails. You will start by opening Outlook. There you will click on the gear icon located in the upper corner. Now you are going to go to the Mail section and click on the Rules option. The next step will be to click on Add New Rule. First, you are going to assign a name to the rule. After that, when add a condition, you will choose the option Apply to all messages. Finally, in the Add an Action field, you will select Forward to. Here you must enter or select the email from the displayed list. Click Save to apply this change. You can enable this rule or not using it switch, and so you can automatically forward emails in Outlook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.